Good morning. Well, it's morning for me. I don't know what time you're watching it, but yeah, nice sunny morning today. Sun's out. So behind me here, we've got another solar project going on down in sunny Yeovil. I'll just flip you around now and explain what the installation's like and keep you updated on progress throughout the day. Yeah, so we've got one panel going up there, 3 across the bottom here, 3 across the bottom there, and then 1 landscape up there, complete with bird proofing and all the hook stops and all that stuff that we need. And then the inverter and battery are going in the garage there. So yeah, as I was saying, we've got 8 435 Jinko panels, 25 years warranty, 30-year performance warranty on these ones, on these Jinko panels. A Fox ESS 3.68 kilowatt inverter, 4 Fox ESS batteries, and then the way we'll get the batteries fully charged is we'll be using the Octopus Flux tariff and using the 2-hour overnight charge that you get on Octopus Flux to get the batteries charged up, and then they'll use that during the day and top it up with the solar. So yeah, we'll keep you updated on progress, and I'll show you the cable run downstairs. So we're in the garage, as you can see the main house down there. In the garage here, inverter going there, full battery stack going there. There is an old supply there, but we're not going to use that supply. We're going to run a new supply all the way down to the front. Keep going. So I'll come around, and then the consumer unit's in here. So we'll put a RCBO in there, come down, put the gen meter here and the AC isolator, and then run the cable through the back, all the way down to here, touch the scaffolding, and then DC cable run will come out of there, through here, come along, up, all the way up into the loft, with some conduit and some mechanical protection. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on progress. Well, now it's the afternoon now. As you can see, we've got the deck tie in there, the cables come through. Marley's just clipping them round on the inside, and then we get that closed up. All the rails on, roof hooks on, and doing this side now, just got a bit of rail to go at the top, then we can start paneling. Battery inverter is moved from this wall now, we're putting in that wall. Just for the inside, it looks a lot better and neater. So we're just doing our final bits of testing, but just got a label to put on the thingy, on the gen meter, AC isolator, full stack of batteries, Fox ESS inverter, and then cable run goes along there, and then we've got a conduit run all the way up for the DC, and you can see we've got the EV Ultra clipped all the way along there. Just take you round to the side, just up the van away. There we go, just got a little fuse box board up there. AC isolator there, nice and handy. And there we go, got the PV up there, just about to see it. Then we've got the solar on roof sticker there, and I'll show you the roof. There we go, this is the east side. It's got the 4 panels on, bird proofing around the bottom, as you can barely see it. End caps on the end of the rails, lovely install. I'll just take you around this side here. The sun's still up, just about. So still glistening on the south side there. There's your 4 panels. I'll go over that side so you can see it. There you go, over this side now. Yeah, bird proofing's all on there. And got your end caps on there. Job complete. There we go, all complete, all signed, all working. Photovoltaic gen meter, AC isolator comes in, labels, owner's manual, 4 stack of batteries, and as you can see here, 3/4 charged. Lovely.